Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You know who it is. It's your man Boss Gang VIP back with the weekly money watch. The market has been absolutely amazing. Continues to hit new highs. Will we hit new highs in the market this week, or will the market absolutely collapse? We will find out together. Precious metals continue to hit highs. Energy is starting to push up. I noticed the gasoline prices in my area getting a little bit higher. They're around $5 a gallon, starting to creep up a little bit. Where do we go from here? The dollar continues to fall. Russell continues to push up toward highs, just like a lot of the market. What will the market do this week? As we always do, let's update the status of the Roth portfolio, new money. We started this portfolio with $100. We are going to take the port to $1 million. We're going to show you how to do this in real time. So if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to go ahead, send them over to the channel so we can get them started. What's in line for the market this week, Monday, September 22nd? A lot of Fed presidents speak on Monday throughout the day. Jerome Powell speaks at 12:35 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. Some more Fed speakers throughout the day. Wednesday as well, new home sales. Thursday, lots of news. Lots of Fed speakers, initial jobless claims, GDP third estimate. I'm interested to see what that is. Durable goods, existing home sales. And then Friday, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, PCE, personal income, PCE index, PCE year over year, core PCE, as well as some more Fed speakers. Now, historically, this week in the market is normally pretty bearish historically. What does bearish mean? The market is down over 60% of the time. Now, the market has been doing what it wants to do. There's been a lot of bullish catalysts. We just got the quarter point rate cut, and the market, I'm guessing, anticipates more. Let me know what you think. Are they going to pause, or how many times do you think they'll cut for the rest of 2025? As far as the outlook, week after September quad witching, the Dow has been down 26 of the last 34 trading sessions, with an average loss since 1990 of 1.1%. Now, as I'm looking at the market, I believe things are up right now, but I actually got to see. Our Rosh Hashanah starts Tuesday. The market is historically bearish. Now, these days are literally some of the most historically bearish days, but we'll see how that plays out. Last Friday was a historically bearish day, and we know that the market turned out fine. Wednesday, it'll be historically flat. Thursday, historically bearish, and Friday, historically bullish. End of summer prone to weakness from end of third quarter institutional portfolio restructuring. So makes sense. So how do we take advantage of the market? Well, right now, there's a lot of bullishness going on in the market. So we'll go ahead and try to see if we could take advantage of that. One of the things I'm going to be looking at for this week is in phase. I noticed on this quarter, it pushed down to some broadening formations on the month, pushed back up. We got that failed, 2 down on the quarter. We started 2 up on a month, got some corrective activity. We got a 3-1-2 week last week, kind of pulled back. We have a quarterly broadening formation that we're sitting just below, and the day finished as a doji. You could see we got some targets. So for this one, I actually saw some entries on the 1 minute. So this has a 2-2 1 minute entry above $38.44 on in phase. MOS Mosaic had a 3-2 week last week, got some corrective activity. I'll show you what this looks like on the day. And if I zoom out, you can see we had that outside quarter, and then we had the two up off the outside quarter, pull back, corrective activity. Now we should be pushing back up here. So we have 1 minute entries on MOS. So that is a 221 minute above $33.98. And if we want to push up, maybe we can get to $40 to start. Obviously, ENPH is going to go way higher than that, but first target we'd be looking at is around $40. Second target over $45, $47, and then maybe around 50. And then the last ticker, BB, BlackBerry, inside quarter here, 2 month, and obviously had a strong week. So we want to see if we can get some continuation out of this here. Gave a little inside week. We want to see if we can, or inside day, I should say. And we want to see if we can get some continuation for this breakout. Potential move first target up to around 5 3/4. So it says a 2-2. Excuse me, I wrote it wrong. It's actually a 2-1-2. Let me edit this. All right, 2-1-2. Let me zoom in on this. 2-1-2 day above $4.24. Corporate data earnings September 25th before market. We'll see what happens there. Well, I'm looking forward to having a fabulous week. I'm hoping you're looking forward to that as well. I can't complain. The market is at all-time highs. We've been making lots of money. Will it continue? I don't know. We're just going to keep our risk management in mind and make the best moves we know how. So if you guys have any questions about anything, if you're intimidated, whatever, say, I don't know what you're talking about. Make sure to put those down in the comments below. If you made it this far, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with the people you love. Looking forward to having a great week. It's your man, BossGangVIP, with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.